New this morning, a federal judge has struck down the Biden administration's parole in place policy.
The program would have allowed undocumented immigrants who are married to American citizens to get legal status and streamline a path to citizenship. But the judge ruled that the policy violates federal immigration law. Now, this comes after 16 Republican states led by Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton filed a lawsuit to block the program back in August. The Justice Department has not commented on the ruling, but it does have the option to file an appeal. And this morning, that decision is already facing backlash, including from the civil rights group nonprofit Fiel.
Our Ugochi Iloka joins us live in the newsroom. Ugochi, what is the organization saying?
Reka and Steph, right now Fiel's executive director says they'll be preparing the families they represent and keep them informed for whatever may come. Fiel is an immigrant-led civil rights organization that advocates for the rights of all people in unjust situation, regardless of immigration status. Now, Fiel issued this statement saying, quote, "Our hope is that the Department of Homeland Security will appeal this case, and we will take this up to the courts to make sure that in the end of the day, justice is served." End quote. Meanwhile, Trump is already working on executive orders to carry out his plan to deport millions of undocumented immigrants as soon as he takes office. This could affect DACA recipients brought here as children who are now adults worried about their future under another Trump presidency. Despite that, as we recently reported, there were a growing number of Latinos who voted for Trump in the 2024 presidential election. We spoke to Houston residents who are Hispanic that have different views on the matter.
I know that we are very resilient, very strong people.
It does not bother us because it is such a burden that these illegal immigrants have caused to our country.
And different opinions there. As for a legal take on this, we spoke to a Houston attorney who says the last thing Trump wants during the honeymoon phase of his administration is a PR nightmare over deportation. We'll explain more in the next hour on what he means by that. Live in the newsroom, Ugochi Iloka, KHOU 11 News.